Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad. Today in our home we have been graced. We have been graced by none other than a guest which has entered from the chimney. And that guest is a pigeon. It is a pigeon. Hello, pigeon. It managed to come out. How did it manage to come out? It managed to come out by the use of a torch from the phone. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ya Hassan wa Ya Hussein. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, we'll get you out. We'll get you out. Come on. We'll get you out. You see, it's desperate to get out. There you go, my darling. There you go. Bye, 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 bye. It's escaped. MashaAllah.